Good morning, everyone. Today, we're not just discussing another quarter, but truly embarking on a new book for Tesla, a vision articulated by Elon Musk himself. While the market often focuses intently on delivery numbers, what's crucial to understand is that Tesla's internal engine has fundamentally mutated. We are transitioning beyond being solely an EV manufacturer. We are now architects of civilization-level abundance, powered by an unparalleled integration of AI, robotics, and foundational space-based infrastructure. This profound shift is clearly visible in our Q4 2025 results, which represent a critical pivot point. We beat revenue forecasts with $24.9 billion, and our non-GAAP EPS of 50 cents also surpassed expectations. Crucially, our gross margin hit 20.1%, the highest in 2 years, and our auto margin improved to 17.9%, despite lower year-over-year volumes. This wasn't achieved through sheer volume, but through relentless efficiency gains. This strategic insight is paramount. Tesla is explicitly transitioning from an auto-centric model to a vertically integrated AI and robotics model. Our energy storage division also had a record quarter, deploying 14.2 GWh in Q4, totaling 46.7 GWh for the full year. As part of this transition, we're announcing an honorable discharge for 2 of our flagship vehicles. Production of the Model S and Model X will gracefully wind down in Q1 2026. The why is simple yet profound. We are retooling the Fremont factory for the biggest product launch ever. Our old capacity was dedicated to low-volume premium EVs, but the new capacity will be for 1 million Optimus robots per year. As Elon has stated, it's time to bring the Model S and Model X programs to an end with an honorable discharge, as it's part of our overall shift to an autonomous future. The final ordering window is now open for those who wish to own a piece of this remarkable legacy. Central to our future is the Silicon Roadmap, operating on an incredibly accelerated 9-month compounding cycle, a stark contrast to the 4 or 5-year cycles of the auto industry. We are rapidly progressing through AI iterations. AI4, our current state, focuses on superhuman safety and training the fleet. By early 2027, AI5 will achieve almost perfect autonomy and advanced Optimus reasoning. Late 2027 will see AI6, where our focus shifts to data centers, and Optimus, no longer solely for cars. Beyond that, AI7 represents the frontier, featuring space-based AI compute and Dojo 3. To mitigate geopolitical risk and foreign supply chain disruption, we are developing domestic terafabs to integrate logic, memory, and packaging, ensuring immunity and strategic independence. xAI, our pivotal artificial intelligence venture, serves as the orchestra conductor for this entire ecosystem. While Tesla builds the physical bodies, our robots and vehicles, Grok provides the centralized superintelligence. This intelligence is crucial for managing fleets of 10 million robotaxis or coordinating 1,000 Optimus robots in, say, a refinery. This is about building products and services that bring AI into the physical world, a core tenet of our master plan fee. Financially, we've confirmed a substantial $2 billion investment in xAI, with the Series E preferred stock closing in January 2026, underscoring our commitment to this strategic pillar. Full self-driving, or FSD, is now entering its unsupervised era. We are preparing for live, unsupervised commercial rides, meaning no safety monitor and no chase car. This represents an unprecedented level of autonomy. Our international validation in South Korea is proving this capability, with 1 million kilometers logged in just 1 month. The Korea Expressway Corporation gave us a 2 rating, indicating that our FSD capabilities exceeded those of the average human driver. This advancement drives a significant business model shift. Post-February 14th, we are transitioning to a subscription-only model for FSD, securing recurring revenue. Furthermore, this creates a powerful network effect, an Airbnb for cars, where owners can add their vehicles to the fleet to offset lease costs, accelerating adoption and utilization. The Cybercab represents the next evolution in personal transportation, a true cost-per-mile revolution. We're targeting production by April 2026, and it's expected to constitute the grand majority of Tesla's vehicle volume. The design philosophy is radical, no fallback, meaning no wheel or pedals, and a high-duty cycle, operating 50 to 60 hours per week compared to typical personal cars' 10 hours. It's optimized for 1-2 passenger trips, which account for 90% of all travel. Our manufacturing scale enables a cost per mile significantly lower than retrofitted competitors like Waymo, giving us an undeniable economic advantage. Optimus is not merely a robot, it is the architect of universal high income and a fundamental shift in our economy. We expect to unveil Generation 3 in approximately 3 months. Production will take place at the Fremont factory, replacing the Model S and X lines with a capacity target of 1 million units per year. The manufacturing challenge is substantial, involving a stretched S-curve ramp and a supply chain built from physics-first principles, as no off-the-shelf components suffice. The macro impact is immense. Optimus, with its general-purpose learning by observation, aims to fundamentally shift U.S. GDP and enable a post-scarcity economy for all. Powering this AI boom requires a robust energy pillar. Our energy division had a strong year, generating $12.8 billion in revenue, a 26.6% year-over-year increase, with record deployments of 46.7 gigawatts. The critical constraint for AI is clear electricity. As Elon has often stated, the limiting factor for AI is electricity. Our goal is to scale to 100 gigawatts per year of integrated solar production. The strategy involves pairing solar and storage to power the massive data centers required for AI-5 and AI-6 training, ensuring a sustainable and abundant energy supply for our rapidly expanding AI infrastructure. Looking further afield, we are exploring the frontier of orbit AI and celestial power. The premise is compelling solar energy in space is 5 times more effective than terrestrial solar. Our Genesis 1 satellite is already operating as of December 2025, running NVIDIA and Tesla compute on orbital solar power. As terrestrial grids strain under growing demand, space becomes the lowest-cost environment for AI compute. Our roadmap includes AI-7 chips specifically designated for space-based compute, and we are actively collaborating with partners like Orbit AI and Powerbank Corp. to realize this ambitious vision. To achieve these ambitious goals, we are committed to an epic $20 billion CapEx strategy for 2026. This investment spans 3 critical areas: terafabs for domestic chip manufacturing, ensuring supply chain independence, multiple factories, including those for Cybercab, Semi, Mega, Optimus, and crucial lithium and cathode refineries, and significant compute infrastructure, specifically training clusters for AI-5 and AI-6. Our philosophy, as Elon says, is to do hard things. This vertical integration serves as our defense and strategic hedge against geopolitical supply chain collapse. As Andy Grove wisely noted, only the paranoid survive, and we are building resilience into every layer of our operations. Ultimately, our mission has officially been updated. It is now amazing abundance. The destination is clear: solving the cost of living crisis through universal high income. The future truly is more exciting than you can imagine. This stack of abundance illustrates how we plan to get there, from space solar and constellations providing limitless energy, to silicon chips and terafabs as the foundation of intelligence, powered by XAI. The physical manifestation comes through Optimus robots providing labor, and cybercabs offering accessible, ubiquitous transportation. Together, these elements form the bedrock of a new era of prosperity.